We are back. Now we would like to show you how we install the back washer on the bottom of the resuscitator. You see, this gentleman is cleaning the washer. He is installing on the plastic part. Go slow. And he is now fixing up the plastic lock. Now after fixing the lock, I would like to show you by needle even it doesn't come out. It doesn't come out. You can see from 360 degree it doesn't come out because it is fixed properly. Now I'll show you another piece. This gentleman is cleaning with a cotton cloth and is installing on the plastic part of the resuscitator. Now he's taking out the lock and is fixing the lock by locking it. We make sure this back washer doesn't come out. Now you see, although we don't use the needle, but just to show you that whether this back washer come out or no. You see another piece is checked. This is medically allowed solution for the cleaning. Now is fixing it up. Is putting the lock over it. Now it's fixed. Yes. Now he will show you by using the needle whether this back washer wall comes out or no. Vineet, can you show me this comes out? No?
Okay sir, this is your proper type.
Can you show me like this by finger? This doesn't come out.
This is not okay.
You see, this is the lock. You can see this is lock. Sorry Vineet, I have touched this part with my finger. I'm wearing the gloves in the left hand. You see this. So now I would like to see from we have arranged few pieces ready. Any piece you take out, any piece, and just try to show lock is fit properly. Just show it is not coming out. It is not coming out because it sits properly. Any one piece, yes, lock is tight. It is not coming out. See, it is not coming out. Even though he's trying to take it out, but doesn't come out. One more piece. Fix. It is not coming out. Vineet, can you take out from the one packed piece and show me?
Okay, sure, thank you.
Just take out from the packed piece. Yeah. Packed piece. I'm asking for the packed piece. Yeah, this is the packed piece. This gentleman is taking out. This. They are taking out. Yeah. Taken out the piece. This is a packed piece of one of our consignment, which is going in a day or two. This resuscitator, this gentleman is taking out just to check from the packed piece whether the back wall washer is coming out or it sits remain. You see the back washer. Now can you show me by putting the needle? You see, just not possible. Another piece, can I see? Another piece, yeah. Just see another piece we are taking out. Vineet, can you show me? Thank you, Pati. Open the bottom part. It's taking out the bottom part, and this is the plastic part which is wearing the back wall washer. The part is tight enough. Very good. Can you show me by needle whether it comes out or no? Oh, this doesn't come out. You can see 360 degree we are checking, and this doesn't count because there is a tendency of the silicone. It sits properly on the plastic. So this is what we want to demonstrate, that it is just not possible that this back wall washer comes out. It sits properly because of, can you show me by index finger the lock? Index finger, by index finger? Yes, this is the lock. Just show me like this. Index finger, yeah, this is the lock. You can see because of the lock, this gets fit properly. So there is no chance that back wall washer comes out. There is no chance. This might possible if you take out badly, maybe this doesn't go back to the real position, but you see when we fix it properly, it is just not possible. Thank you very much.